facilities of WHWC Television in Wheeler. The current time is 12:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now the forecast for west central Wisconsin, including
almost time.
Menominee and Chippewa Falls. This afternoon, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Come on.
Night, mostly cloudy.
Okay, it's 1 p.m.
Slight chance of rain and snow in the evening. Then slight chance of snow overnight.
Let's go.
Lows in the mid-20s.
I don't know.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an
I don't know if I
hour.
should keep this on or not.
Chance of precipitation 20%.
Come on.
Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning.
Let's do this.
Highs in the upper 30s. Northwest wind.
Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh my gosh.
The warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Now the forecast for west central Wisconsin,